Today I'm going to solve a very common set problem that often appears on exams. But before that, subscribe to the channel and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Leave a like and comment if you manage to get this question right. At a school, 120 students were interviewed about playing sports. 65 said they play soccer, 50 said they play basketball, and 25 said they play both sports. How many students don't play either of the two sports? F stands for soccer, 65. Basketball, 50. And the total is 120, with 25 playing both sports. So how many play only soccer? So let's take those who play soccer and subtract those who play both sports, which is 25. So 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 40 people. So we could already make a set here where we have 40 people who play soccer and 25 who play both sports. How many play only basketball? It's the same situation, 50 minus 25, which is 25. Let's represent this in the set, in the Venn diagram. Here we see in the diagram that 40 play only soccer, 25 play only basketball, and another 25 play both sports. Adding up, 40 plus 25 plus 25 is equal to 5 plus 5. That's 10. Carry the 1 plus 4, 5, and 2, 7, and 2, 9, 90. If this is the total number of students who practice the sport, to find out who doesn't practice anything, simply subtract the total number of students minus those who practice sport. 0 minus 0, 0. 12 minus 9, 3. So in fact, here we find the answer, which is 30 students who do not play any sport. This is a question that appears a lot on exams, and we solved it here using set theory with a Venn diagram. If you liked it, leave a like. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.